nice to see you again. We're going to read a book with the kids, okay? We're going to read a book called Lost in the Woods, and it's by Carl Sams and Jean Stoik. For those who protect wild places and care for wild things. That's right. I know. New life came to the woods before the sun touched the tops of the trees. He slept quietly in the tall grass on the north edge of the meadow where the trees start the forest. Get up, get up, get up, shouted the red-winged blackbird. Shh, hushed the mouse. I think he's lost. Just let him sleep. I've been watching you. You've been alone for a long time, said the chipmunk, stuffing another acorn into his fat cheeks. I heard you're lost. Mama said to wait right here, whispered the fawn. She will come back. Aha, so you're the lost babe in the woods, announced the cardinal. I'll use my red color and fly through the treetops, signaling for help. I'm not lost, said the fawn, not looking up at all. She will come. She said she would. The sun climbed to a higher place in the sky, drying out the morning dew. The fawn stood all alone in the tall, shadowed woods. Stretch your legs to make them strong, but don't wander too far. I think that's his mom's voice, Marvin, telling him what to do. Where is your mama? Hissed Mother Goose. She said she'd be back. She will, called out the startled fawn, turning toward the woods that seemed larger and lonelier than before. Did I go too far? What do you think? Did we go too far? Sound of loud voices and laughter carried on the wind. The birds suddenly stopped singing. The fawn dropped down to hide in the tall grass. There's some cute kids out for a walk. You like kids, don't you, Marvin? I do too, and they like you. They love you, Marvin. When trouble comes looking for you, lie still. Oh, so very still. Don't blink an eye. Don't twitch an ear. Let your spots work, and don't make a sound. You are a newborn, born without a scent. Trouble's nose will not find you. Newborn deer are born without any scent. That's cool, isn't it? Well done, chirped a voice from nowhere. I can hear you, said the fawn, but I don't see you. That's because I'm the master of camouflage, boasted the tree frog. Green is my color. I find my color and I'm out of sight. He really is.
I'm green.
You are green. Yep, you think you'd be camouflaged? I don't know about that. Look how he used his spots. He did, said Katy Did, looking down from her leaf. There's Katy Did. Mother Doe would be so pleased. Who do I see? Hooted the little saw-whet owl. Someone's moving through my woods. I saw it. Who's coming through the woods? Where? Bleated the fawn. Suddenly, a shadow darkened the warm sun. A shadow? The fawn turned to look into the dark brown eyes of his mother. I knew you would come. Remember this, she said, licking his spotted coat smooth. He lifted his ears to listen to his mother's words once more. You are a newborn, born without a scent. I have to leave, so Trouble's nose cannot find you. Stretch your legs, make them strong, but don't go too far. Soon it will be your time to follow me. Her words were remembered as he drifted off to sleep. His legs got stronger and stronger. Tomorrow's the most important day of my life, chirped a baby chickadee-dee-dee. Tomorrow I'm fledgling. You are what? Asked the fawn, wrinkling his nose. Fledgling. I'm going to flutter my wings and fly. I need to work out a few wobbles, and then I'll fly up there with the big birds. A great, great day indeed. When do you fledge? I don't know if I can fly, said the puzzled fawn, but I think my time is near. Could it be? Is his time near? Sputtered the raccoon from above. Up popped the goslings. Say what? Say what? Say what? It's time, shrieked the red-winged blackbird. That's hard to say. Ready? Asked Mother Doe. There's so much to see. Yes, it's time. I'm ready. The fawn is ready. Look at him jumping. Wow. He really did grow strong, didn't he? The end. And here's a chipmunk. I knew he wasn't lost. Me too. Me too. So the kids can go to the library and get this book, and look, there's things to do on the back page. You can look for different items all throughout that book. So that's Lost in the Woods by Carl Sands and Jean Stoik. Thank you, Marvin. Bye-bye.